Okay, let's search for it. Janvi, you look under that table. I'll check behind the door.
Okay, Mom.
Then, Janvi, look between these two chairs.
Oh, I got it, Mom. The doll is between the chairs.
Janvi, did you notice how I used prepositions in the sentences I just said?
Yes, Mom. Like under, behind, between.
Great observation, Janvi. A preposition is a word usually followed by a noun or a pronoun which shows how they are related. In, on, before, under, behind, and between are prepositions.
Yes, Mom. Last time you told me about prepositions.
Sure, Janvi. Prepositions tell us about position, place, and time.
Can you tell me more about prepositions?
Sure. For example, I go to bed at 10 p.m. Ruhi lives at Green Valley Apartments. I waited for him until 5 p.m. Now, let's practice some more prepositions together.
The fruit basket is on the table.
The cat is under the table.
My birthday party is in a week.
We visit our grandparents on Sundays.
I wake up at 7 a.m.
Some prepositions also show us movement. For example, the cat climbed down from the tree. She stood in front of the class to give her presentation. The squirrel leaped over the fence. The children played near the river bank. The rabbit hopped into its burrow to hide. He made his way from the house into the garden. The car drove past the old church. The puppy ran around the backyard, chasing its tail.
Thanks, Mom.
You're welcome.